You amazing people.
That's my line.
You know what? I'm stealing both of their lines today. We are about ready to wrap up our West Coast excursion. And one of the things that we have absolutely enjoyed so much while we're here is all of the berries.
Blackberries.
The blackberries, raspberries, blueberries, you name it. There's a ton of berries up here. And we also have been trying to figure out what kind of memento we wanted to take home from Washington. So we decided that we are going to collect some blackberries and then we are going to make blackberry jam or blackberry jelly.
And we can actually go around the campground looking for blackberries so we can go around. So we're going to do that. So we're going to hunt for blackberries. We're hunting all around the campground.
So mission number one,
Get the blackberries.
we have to fill 2 of these full of blackberries. The one most obvious spot that we're going to do right away is right outside our front door. This, people, this is our front yard and it is just swarming with blackberries. So we're going to take these blackberries first. If we don't have enough, then we'll walk around the campground and we'll figure out how to fill these buckets.
Mom, where are you going? She is going right there. Dad, how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling blue.
Find us out in the wild and our fingers are stained red and you ask us, did we kill anybody? We didn't. It's just blackberries. Just filled up in our yard. Compared with Mom's, I think we filled up maybe about to this line.
That's why they got the tall guy, so they can get the berries that are way up here. Otherwise, no bueno.
You use the word block. We're almost halfway done and we haven't even left our yard yet. We're out of our yard, so I think we might go around the campground and go see if we can find any more. Okay, so right now we are watching Dad pick some blackberries off that bush. So we filled 1 tub of blackberries and we need at least 2 tubs to make our jelly. And you might see some red ones and some that have like mossy stuff and you're like, ew, we're gonna eat that? Like, first we're gonna mash it all up so you won't be able to taste it. It's just gonna taste like blackberries. Second, those stringy things, we're gonna just wash them off and they'll just come right off.
We've got about 4 quarts, which makes about 2 pints of jelly. And that didn't take very long. We literally were in front of our camper and right up the street. So 5 minutes worth of work. Now we got to get them cleaned up and boiled down and made into jelly. So
made into jelly,
everybody wish us
we
luck.
need to put them on our toast.
We ended up with this whole thing full. So I'm kind of going through, I'm picking off the leaves and all the floaty stuff. We're going to put them in our pot, start warming them up, which will then release all the juices. And then we're going to strain it through a cheesecloth later and start making our jelly.
They're all dead.
Probably getting a little bit of bits in there, but to be honest, we're going to strain it. So I'm not too concerned about it. Okay, so,
This will get off.
yep,
And just, what do I do with it?
start mashing it up. What you doing, Dean?
Right now, since Gertie is still eating, I am mixing the blackberries up and I'm smushing them into like a little puree. Teamwork makes the dream work. Right now I'm mushing it up, and sometimes I'll do this to get all the blackberries that aren't smushed up to the top, and then I'll smush them And then occasionally I'll feel some big ones on the bottom and then I'll just smush them.
All right, everybody, so we've got our puree almost done. All the berries are popped. It's looking really good. It smells absolutely delicious. The next step for us is to take it and run it through a cheesecloth, get all of the mash out of there, because we're making jelly. We're not going to make jam, so we're going to try to make it as clear as we possibly can. I'm not going to be mad if there's a little bit of fruit pulp in there or anything like that, so we're going to strain it, see how much juice we have, and then that will determine how much sugar we need to use.
It just fell. It happened, Dad. It fell.
It's fine, buddy.
Pull it up.
Yeah, you got to lift the bag up.
Can I try one? Oh my God. Get out of here. Get out.
Or you got to stick the spoon down in there so you're not splattering it all over everything.
Back up, Dean.
More towards
Oh, okay, got it.
More towards me.
Okay, so wait. Here?
Yes.
This looks weird. Also, there's so much little juice in there. I think this is actually going to be able to fill one jar. We're putting all of the blackberry stuff inside the cheese bag thing, which goes inside the bowl, which has juice inside of it from the blackberries. Dad, do you think this will work?
Oh, absolutely. This is beautiful. I can't think of a better way to make sure that we take home something fun. Dean, can I have the spatula?
We're at home, but it's fine. Like the base. Oh, that's how much we have in the pot. I think we might be able to fill one jar. Maybe two.
Well, I think we'll have exactly what we needed.
Yeah.
Before we do anything else, taste test. Dean says it's perfect. Gertie says it needs more sugar. A classic. Turns out we ended up with 4 cups of blackberry juice, and for this recipe, it's equal parts juice to sugar. So yep, 4 cups of sugar going in. It's basically blackberry syrup now, and yes, we're 100% okay with that.
So Dean's stirring right now, and it will take about 30 minutes for it to get to a jelly boil. That's what they call it. So yeah. Do you see how it's coming to that pinky purple color? That's what we want to see.
So now that we've got it to a boil and we're kind of waiting for it to hit that jelly stage, for us to test it and see if we're there, because I don't have a candy thermometer, but it's about 210, 220 degrees, I think is what it comes to. What you want to do is you'll take a little bit of it and you'll kind of drip it on your plate. and then you let that cool down. Okay, so we've got it to what we think is a jelly boil. To test it, I poured a little bit on a plate, and so the way that you test it is you drag your finger through the jelly. If it leaves a clear line on the plate, that means it's ready to be jelly. So we're gonna let Dean and Gertie put their finger through the jelly and draw a line. And if it leaves a line, that means we're jelly. It left a line, so that means we're officially jelly. It's not really going anywhere. We went ahead and pre-prepped the jars. We got them warm with the lids. So now all we have to do is pour the hot liquid into the hot jars so it doesn't break the jars. Put the lids on them, and we should have jelly in the morning. Kind of a nice pink, purple, frothy kind of top on it. And as I said, I think we hit that jelly point, so we're going to turn it off and we're going to put it in jars and see what we ended up with.
Yeah.
All right, everybody. We ended up with about three of these size and one other small one, a little guy, little halfy. So we're full. We got the tops on in our warm jars. We're just gonna submerge those back in our hot water and let it cool down.
Gertie, give it to your dad, buddy.
I think we're officially
Holy jelly. What about the smaller
blackberry
one, Dad?
jelly, people.
Dad, what about this?
All right, party people. So it's the moment of truth. We made the jelly. It looks like it stood up pretty good. This is our test jar. Gertie is going to be our guinea pig this morning. So she's going to be the first one to taste test our blackberry jelly. So it's nice and thick. Oh, it looks like jelly.
Yeah, I hope it's jelly.
Spreading like jelly. Oh my gosh.
Like it looks black when you have it on the knife. Like it's wet. It's like pinkish, like really dark red when you put it on the toast.
Okay, there we go. 2 pieces of blackberry jelly toast. Dean's gonna try it.
I think we did good.
Did we do good for our first time? What do you gotta say?
I think
Is it sweet?
yeah, it's sweet.
What's it taste like?
It tastes like sweet. It's the jelly that you would buy from the grocery store, but better.
High five on that one.
It has like a blackberry tangy-ish. It's very, very sweet, like Gertie said. It's like blackberry jelly, but way more fresher. So, I would definitely make this again.
Awesome. All right, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoyed us making some blackberry jelly. Our little souvenir that we're gonna take home from Washington. Hopefully it'll last us a little while. We got 3 whole jars, so hopefully it'll last us until we make it up to Maine next summer
Next one.
and pick more blackberries. All right, guys. Peace. What do you got to say?
Never stop exploring and never stop dancing.
Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time.